So hey, what's up everyone, this is Jimmy back here with another video. So yeah, today I will be creating Doraemon using Python turtle graphics. Okay, yeah, so it will be looking like this. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see. So simply for creating this, yeah, I'm here using the VS Code and you can go with any of your preferred code editor. Okay, so yeah, from turtle import start. Okay, now here after importing it, now I will create a function for defining my position. Okay, for that I'm simply using here def sheet function for that x comma y, and here pin up, and now go to x comma y and then pin down function those. Yeah, now I will create a function for drawing eyes. Okay, def eyes function here will now it's time to create the main function. Okay, for that main function, if name equal to underscore main point info control, for that screen size 720 comma 1280 hashtag f0 okay. Now screen equal to screen function, and for the screen dot set up with I'm taking here 720 comma 5, I'm taking here 1280. now setting the pen size. Okay, now I'm taking here pen size as 3, and now setting the speed, I'm here taking speed 10. now Doraemon function, now g 250 comma minus 230. now here main loop function. Now I'm simply running this code and let's see everything is fine or not. So yeah, so as you can see, everything is getting good. Yeah, going fine as well. So as you can see here, everything is going good. Yeah, the code is running successfully and our Doraemon is ongoing in the process and it's on the way of ready. Okay,